Maybe you've been seeing those videos on TikTok saying that mouth breathing is bad. And that got me to think, maybe it's good. Well, I'm here to tell you, open your eyes and your brain and think for yourself. There's nothing wrong with mouth breathing. I keep my mouth open just like them gators do. I go hang out with gators and I endorse gator hanging. You ever seen a snake hiss at you? Snakes are badass. You're badass. Can't put tape on my mouth. What I put in my mouth is my right. Don't quote me on that. Keep your rights up, keep your mouth open, and hang with gators.